coming? You having a good day, Soupy? The frogs are loud tonight. I wonder if it's going to rain. Feels like it might. Didn't think there was any rain coming now. Well, that's okay, it'll water the garden. I can hear thunder out to sea. Must be a thunderstorm going on. Maybe we'll get some here then. You coming? Loud frogs, kiddo. Oops. Crunchy took all the sandwiches earlier, didn't he? Didn't let you have some. You only had a few. The frog chorus is going good today. Look, Sonny's come to watch again. Where is he? He's up there. You want more? There you go, buddy.